Hi, and welcome to the channel. Firstly, let's have a look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the G sharp major, composed of the C, the D sharp, and the G sharp, with the bass note of G sharp. Then you're gonna have the C sharp major, composed of the C sharp, the F, and the G sharp, and the C sharp bass note. Then you're gonna have the F sharp major, composed of the C sharp, the F sharp, and the A sharp, with the bass note of F sharp. Then you're gonna have the A sharp minor, composed of the C sharp, the F, and the A sharp, and the bass note of A sharp. And finally, we'll have the D sharp minor, composed of the D sharp, the F sharp, and the A sharp, and with the bass note of D sharp. As usual, you will find in the description box a link to access the PDF file associated with this song, so just feel free to download it. Let's begin by the introduction of that song. So let me display the table for you so you can either play the melody or play the chords respecting the number of repetition. So for the melody, it would go like this: F and G sharp 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then C and D sharp 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then C sharp and F 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then A sharp, C sharp 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then G sharp, C sharp once. The whole table would therefore give you this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1. Or just play each chord 4 times if you don't want or need to play the melody. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's move on to the first verse, and good news, you're going to be able to keep the same chord order. Let's now look at the method. So C sharp major, play it like this: 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Okay? So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. And do this for all the chords of the table. So G sharp major, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and A minor, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and F sharp major, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. First without the lyrics: 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Now with the lyrics, it should sound like this: I'm going under, and this time I fear there's no one to save me. And repeat the table: this all and nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to. Okay, and then you will have the pre-chorus, which is going to be played the same way using the same table and the same method. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to. And repeat the table one last time. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain. And here, what's interesting is that the first chord of the chorus is going to be the last chord of the verse. Okay, so here's the table for the chorus, beginning with the F sharp major. And while keeping the same method, it should sound like this. So, I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. And repeat one more time. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved. So finish the chorus with the F sharp major, okay? And after this, to play the second verse, second pre-chorus, and second chorus, well, you will simply need to replay what you've been playing since the first verse, so just repeat the tables one more time. Here I'm only singing excerpts because you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. Then, after the second chorus, you will have a bridge, and the order of the chorus is going to be slightly different, but we will still be able to keep the same method. First, without the lyrics. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. Day bleeds. So now with the lyrics. And I tend to close my eyes when it hurts. Sometimes I fall into your arms. I'll be safe in your sound till I come back around. And now the day bleeds. So just play this table once and then finish the song reusing the chorus table for the third time. I wish you good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.